Are you wondering if you can earn money in stocks? Let's explore the key takeaways and strategies for successful stock investing. Stocks make up an important part of any investor's portfolio. They are shares in a publicly traded company listed on a stock exchange. The percentage of stocks you hold, the industries you invest in, and how long you hold them depend on your age, risk tolerance, and investment goals. The buy and hold strategy remains recommended for individual investors who have the time to let their portfolios grow. Historically, the stock market has appreciated over the long term, rewarding investors with impressive annual returns. Making money in the stock market is easier than keeping it. The modern portfolio theory provides a critical template for risk perception and wealth management, emphasizing the need for diversification to manage risk effectively. Some common mistakes include lack of diversification, market timing, and emotional bias. It's important to know the difference between trading and investing to make informed decisions. By understanding the basics of stocks, adopting a buy and hold strategy, managing risk, and avoiding common mistakes, you can set yourself up for success in stock investing.